Want to take your organization to the next level? To work with a company that consistently develops successful leaders and organizations? Interested in leading as a coach, leveraging teamwork and collaboration, increasing productivity and performance, gaining buy-in and implementing change, achieving operational excellence. To achieve tangible results? Meet Alpine Link. Alpine Link expertly overcomes the tough issues preventing higher levels of performance in both human behavior and business. Uniquely applying a combination of research from contemporary neuroscience, best practices based on practical experience, and a focus on operational agility, Alpine Link helps individuals and organizations achieve their peak potential. Engage Alpine Link for executive and team coaching, organizational transformation, team training, sales enablement, business assessments, and planning. Offerings include half-day to multi-day workshops, adventure-based learning programs, and year-long leadership development curriculums. For more information, visit alpinelink.com or email info@alpinelink.com.